Imagine opening Instagram one day and you are noticing a brand new feature, or seeing Swiggy launch Bolt, or maybe Spotify introducing AI playlists, or Airbnb completely redesigning its booking experience. Have you ever wondered who decides these features that should exist? It is not just the engineers who are writing the code, and behind every successful product is someone asking, what problem are users facing? Should we build this feature? Is it worth investing millions of dollars in it? And that person, my dear friends, is the product manager. Today, product management is one of the most sought after careers in tech industry because it combines technology, business, design, and strategy. But unlike software engineering or marketing, there is no fixed roadmap to become a product manager. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how people become product managers and what skills do companies look for, and the step-by-step roadmap you can follow even if you're starting from scratch today. So let us first understand what a product manager actually does. A product manager is responsible for deciding what should be built, why it should be built, who it is being built for, and how success will be measured. Notice something? The product manager usually doesn't write the code or create the UI. Instead, they are making sure that the team is solving the right problem. For example, imagine you are the product manager at a food delivery company. Customers complain that food is taking too long to arrive. One solution is that you hire more delivery partners, and another is to open more dark stores. Or maybe the issue isn't delivery at all. Perhaps restaurants take too long to prepare the food. A product manager's job is to identify the real problem before deciding on the solution. And that's why PMs spend a lot of time talking to customers, analyzing data, working with designers, engineers, marketing teams, finance teams, sales teams, and the leadership. In simple words, product managers build products that solve customer problems while helping the business grow. So now let's talk about the skills that you need. Many people think that to become expert, they need to become expert programmers before applying for product management roles. And that is one of the biggest misconceptions that is there in the market. The first skill is problem solving. Companies are not hiring PMs because they know every framework that is available. They're hiring them because they can break complex problems into smaller pieces and make good informed decisions. The second skill is communication. As a product manager, you are constantly interacting with engineers, designers, business teams, sales teams, customers, and the senior leadership. You have to explain ideas clearly, resolve disagreements, and keep everyone aligned to the goal. Third is business understanding. Every feature costs time and money to build, and a product manager must understand how a feature impacts customer satisfaction, revenue, costs, and long term growth. The fourth skill is data driven decision making. Instead of saying, I think users will like this feature, you should be expected to support your ideas with data. Metrics like user retention, conversion rate, engagement, and churn become your everyday language. And finally, you should have a basic understanding of technology. You don't have to become a software engineer, but understanding APIs, databases, mobile applications, AI, cloud, and system architecture helps you collaborate much better with the technical teams. One question that I get asked a lot of the time, and that is, can I become a product manager without an MBA? And my friends, the answer is yes. In fact, there are multiple paths by which you can become a product manager. If you are a software engineer, you are already familiar with how the products are built. Learning business and customer thinking can help you transition into product management. If you have completed an MBA, especially with internship or product projects, mainly companies will recruit you directly for the associate product management roles. Designers also can often move into product management because they already understand user experience and customer behavior. Data analysts, they can use their analytical skills to transition to product roles by learning strategy and customer thinking. Even professionals in marketing, consulting, operations, or customer support successfully becomes PMs because they deeply understand users and business challenges. So the important takeaway is this: companies are not hiring product managers based only on degrees. They hire people who can solve customer problems and make good product decisions. Let's come to the practical part. So, suppose you want to become a product manager over the next, say, 6 to 12 months. So, here's what I'm going to recommend to you that you should do, and I'm sure that this is going to help you prepare yourself for the first PM job. Start by learning the fundamentals. Fundamentals like product lifecycle, product strategy, user research, prioritization frameworks like the RICE model and Moscow model, agile framework, scrum framework, and product metrics. Next, build a portfolio. So instead of just saying that yes, I am interested in product management, prove that. People want real examples. That's what recruiters want to look at. So choose an app you use every day: Instagram, Spotify, Swiggy, Netflix, and analyze any one feature that you find. And ask questions like, what problem is this feature solving? Who is the target user? How could it be improved? What metrics could I track? And write your answers as a case study. Then you have to then try creating a simple product requirement document or PRD for a feature that you would like to build for the product. And if you're already working, then volunteer for cross-functioning projects, process improvements, or customer-facing initiatives. These experiences demonstrate ownership, collaboration, and problem solving, qualities which the hiring managers value a lot in a PM candidate. And finally, preparing for interviews. So practice product design questions, product strategies, estimation problems, analytics, and behavioral questions. The more you practice thinking like a product manager, the easier the interviews are going to become for you. So let us now quickly recap the roadmap once again. First, understand what product manager actually do. Second, develop the right skills: problem solving, communication, business thinking, data analysis, and basic technical knowledge. Then, third, build practical experiences through projects, case studies, and product documents. And finally, prepare systematically for product management interviews. Remember, no one becomes a great product manager overnight. It's a journey of continuous learning, curiosity, and solving real customer problems. If you are serious about building a career in product management, this video is just the beginning. In this product management masterclass, we are going to cover everything that you need, from product strategy and roadmaps to PRDs, metrics, prioritization frameworks, AI for PMs, and interview preparation. So subscribe to this channel, like my video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Do not forget to follow my channel. I make more videos on product teardowns, company breakdowns, and the PM masterclasses. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.